Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the main menu and overview and user interface for Project Highrise. First off, we've got our developer information down here, and then across the bottom we've got some external links, and then we've got some DLC information over here, and then version number, and then starting in the menu we've got new game, and then we've got new scenario, which you can select some pre-made scenarios and start building. Load a game if you've got previous save games. You've got tutorials on the different building techniques, different aspects of the game, how it works. Your mods, anything you've downloaded from the Steam Workshop will show up in here. Then we've got our main options. Here's our game options, time format, how we want our numbers displayed in the game, autosave, and we've got some graphical options, our user interface scaling, colors for overlays, and quality of the game, how you want it to look. Some sound settings, not a lot of options, but we do have a few. So keyboard, just you can change some shortcut down here for pausing the game, and actually you can do a drop down here as a drop down menu, and you can do one shortcut for the different things. And we've got our about, here's our credits. And then we've got quit. Of course, in here you can also just change the background. If you have a DLC, Las Vegas, which by the way doesn't have anything to do with Las Vegas, but it does add casinos, it does add hotels as well. So that's a brief main menu overview for Project Highrise. Let's go ahead and have a look at the in-game user interface. Alright, starting up in the left hand corner, top left corner, we've got our overlays. You can look at the aesthetics, views, your satisfaction, trash, smells, noise. You've got your overlays over here. Then you've got your utilities. You can select them on or off, and how they're laid out in your tower. And then you've got your grid, construction grid layout with the numbers of the levels. Over on the right we've got different quests, different things that we can do, tasks that we can work on, that we are working on. We've got down in the bottom left corner we've got our speed controls, and then we've got our current time, and then we've got, here's our prestige level, our population, and then here's a visitor report. If you click on that, you can actually click on any of these to get more details. This is our visitors. And down here we've got our reviews if we have a hotel set up. Here's our finances. Here's our media buzz numbers. You can unlock different things as you get more buzz. Here's our influence. You can unlock different things, and then you can unlock consultants depending on how much influence you have. Here's our construction menu. Building, maintenance, trash, doors, and the highlighted, the yellow, or the yellow ones are ones that are just unlocked. You can construct lobbies in here. Here's our utilities menus, bulldoze, some extra content It might be decorations in the game you have in the game, and then we've got our offices, apartments menu, different levels as you unlock them. Here's our hotels. Here's our dining menu. And shopping. Of course, these are all dependent on whether you have different DLCs loaded in the game. Miami Malls puts shopping, I think, and some of the different stores. Here's our services menu, depending on whether you're doing offices or you want residential services. There's quite a few to choose from in each category. You can add a few different things to make things a little bit better. Here's our consultants. You want to construct those, or decorative elements that you can add into the building. Some art. Then here we've got contracts. If you want to take out a contract, do a quest, try to fulfill one of these, you can work on them. And they do provide a little money. Get cash rewards if you can do them. Here's our hotel information. And then we've got our different reports all listed in here. Our stats for the game. And then if you want to book an event, if you have hotels, of course, and that you also need the DLC, the Las Vegas DLC. Then down here in the right corner, you can go back to the menu and we can change some of the options. I believe these options, some of them need to be changed outside of the game though. You gotta exit your current game to do that. You can save your game, or you can quit to the main menu. So that's a brief overview of the in-game user interface for Project Highrise. Thanks for watching. See you next time.